Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can install new desktop themes on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. For that, simply click on Start button. Then click on Settings. Here click on Personalization option. And here you will find Themes option. Simply click on this Themes option. Here we have all the themes which are installed on Windows 11. Now if you want to install new themes on Windows 11, simply click on Browse Theme option next to Get More Themes from Microsoft Store. It will open Microsoft Store theme page. From here you can browse your theme. Say for example, I want to install this Earth theme. Simply select the theme. Here we have the preview. And here we have some system requirement and ratings. And here you will find all the themes related to Earth. Now to install the new theme, simply click on Get option. And it will download the theme. After it gets downloaded, here you will find Open option. If you want to apply this theme right now, you can simply click on this Open option. Or else you can simply visit the theme settings. Here you will find Earth theme. Simply click here to apply the theme. Here you can see that the new theme has been applied on our Windows 11. So this way you can install new themes on Windows 11. Hope this video was helpful to you. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.